Hello students, in this video I am going to solve one problem based on basic concept of simple stresses and strains. In this video we will calculate the Young's modulus for copper. Let us see, first read the problem. A copper rod 3 mm in diameter, the diameter is given, that is small d is given. So here given is small d, that is diameter is 3 mm. Then a copper rod 3 mm in diameter when subjected to a pull of 495 Newton. So pull means force is given. So P is equal to 495 Newton. Extends by 0.07 mm. Extends by means delta L is given 0.07 mm. 0.07 mm over a gauge length of 100 mm. Gauge length means original length, L is given 100 mm. Then calculate the Young's modulus for copper. Means we have to find out capital E. So let us see how to solve this problem. We have this given, that is diameter is given, force P is given, delta L is given, L is given, and we want capital E, that is Young's modulus or modulus of elasticity. So what we have to find? To find capital E, that is modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus. How to solve? Let us see. So formulae, which formulae we require? We know 4 basic formulas. Sigma is equal to P divided by A. Formula for strain is E is equal to delta L divided by L. For modulus of elasticity, capital E is equal to sigma divided by small e, and for change in length, delta L is equal to PL upon AE. From this equation you can find out capital E, or from this equation you can find out capital E. So for this equation you require sigma and E. Now how to find sigma? Sigma is equal to P by A, and how to find E? E is equal to delta L by A. Here P is given, area is not given, but we know the diameter is, so area is equal to pi by 4 d square. First find out area, then find out sigma, then delta L is given, L is given, so you can easily find out E, and then put these two values, you will get the value of modulus of elasticity. So let us see the solution. First find out area of the section. So area is equal to pi by 4 into d square. That is equal to pi by 4 into d is 3 square. So A is equal to the value becomes 7.07 mm square. This is the value of area. Now next step is sigma. Sigma is equal to P divided by area. Now what is P? P is 495 Newton divided by area is 7.07. So sigma is equal to 70.01 Newton per mm square. This is the stress. Now find out small e. So small e is equal to delta L divided by L. So what is delta L? Delta L is given 0.07 mm divided by capital L is given, that is 100 mm. So small e is equal to 7 into 10 raised to minus 4. You know strain is a unitless quantity. Now find out capital E. So capital E is equal to sigma divided by small e. So sigma is 70.01 divided by small e is 7 into 10 raised to minus 4. So capital E becomes 1 into 10 raised to 5 Newton per mm square. This is our final answer. So this is a simple way to solve this type of problems based on these four formulas, that is formula of sigma, that is P by A, E is equal to delta L by L, and modulus of elasticity is equal to sigma divided by E, and delta L is equal to PL divided by AE. So problems based on these four formulas are very simple to solve. This is the simple method to solve the problem. So thank you very much.